ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be used for a variety of tasks, including generating text for chatbots, automated writing and content creation, and even language translation. Because of its capabilities, there are several ways that ChatGPT can be used to make money. Chatbot development. One of the most obvious ways to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to create chatbots for businesses. These chatbots can be used to handle customer service inquiries, provide product information, or even make sales. ChatGPT can be used to train the chatbot to understand natural language and respond in a way that is appropriate for the situation. Content creation. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate content for websites or social media. For example, ChatGPT can be used to write blog posts, articles, or even entire books. This can save time and effort for content creators, as well as providing a source of revenue for those who choose to charge for their services. Language translation. Another potential use for ChatGPT is in language translation. By training the model on large amounts of text in different languages, it can be used to accurately translate between languages. This can be useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries or for individuals who need to translate documents or other materials. Research and development. ChatGPT can also be used in research and development activities. For example, in the field of natural language processing, it can be used to generate new data sets and train models. Monetizing the model. One way to monetize the model is by providing access to the model through an API. This can be used by businesses or developers to create their own applications that use the model's capabilities. In summary, there are several ways to make money with ChatGPT, including chatbot development, content creation, language translation, and research and development, and monetizing the model through API.